Arc stud welding is generally used to weld large diameter fasteners to more porous and thicker base metals. Stud fasteners are available in many sizes and shapes. A fastener and ceramic ferrule are loaded into the welding gun and firmly placed against the work surface under spring tension. Upon triggering, the welding gun automatically lifts the fastener from the base metal and initiates a controlled electric arc, which melts the end of the fastener and a portion of the base metal. At the precise moment the fastener and parent metal become molten, and the fastener is automatically plunged into the work surface. The metal solidifies, creating a high-quality, full-penetration, cross-sectional weld in seconds. For more information about your stud welding requirements, please contact Sunbelt Stud Welding at 1-800-462-9353.